Now, so Ali is my verb to go, right? So we already have done parler verb, we already have done manger verb, right? We already have done cuisine verb. Say Claire, have you done with this? Cuisine. We already have done the verb of marcher. And what is the formula basically of year ending verb? Tell me, Namesh. What is the formula
E
of year ending verb? E,
E E S E
E,
Yes.
O, N, S,
O N S
E, Z, E,
E
N.
Eager.
Z E N T.
Now, maintenance. If I will say maintenance, if I will say maintenance, that is now. कुछ चीजें आपको मिलती रहेंगी maintenance. Maintenance is now. If I say maintenance, now, maintenance. Now, ale is also we have year ending verb. Ale is also we have year ending verb. And you will see, you will think, okay, what I will do is I have to eliminate er and will insert the formula of e, es, e, on, s, ez, ent. No, because in French language, we have regular means because ध्यान से समझना इस बात को very important regular and irregular verb. Okay, Claire? The verbs which contain formula that we call a regular verb and the verb which do not contain formula these are the irregular verb. I will explain to you what is this basically. The verb which contain a formula, this is my regular verb.
Regular verbs.
The verb which do not contain the formula, which is my irregular verb. Now you will say, now what is irregular verb? You know regular verb, you have a formula, we can make it. But what is irregular verb? It means Ali is my verb to go. The moment I will go for the conjugation of I go, you go, dramatically my conjugation will get changed. ओके mademoiselle मैम आपको पता है हमने किया था j इज इक्वल टू आई किया था हमने j इज आई you इज you किया था हमने ये
Mm-hmm.
किया था हमने ये
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay now so I will say I go for example what is I go now repeat after me मेरे साथ साथ बोलना है you have to just repeat after me speak up jave अभी बोलना है बस बोलो jave
Java,
Joey.
tu vas répétez après moi tu vas
Cuba,
il elle va
Chua.
it is just you have to repeat after me. Now speak up, please. Répétez s'il vous plaît and parlez en fort s'il vous plaît. Parlez en fort. It means speak strongly. So speak up, please. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va,
Joe.
nous
Java,
allons,
Cuba,
nous allons,
Eleven,
vous
New
allez,
Zalon,
vous allez,
Uzale,
ils, elles vont. Now what is this? Up now, please understand. Please understand. Ale is my verb to go. The moment I want to
Mm-hmm.
conjugate ale verb with I go. So basically, je, répétez après moi encore s'il vous répétez après moi encore s'il vous plaît. What I'm saying, répétez,
Repeat after me,
yes, répétez
please.
après moi, après moi. If we have a graph, après moi, after me,
After.
speak after me, après moi, encore, s'il vous plaît. So, s'il vous plaît. Après moi, after me, encore, again, encore. Repeat after me again, please. Après moi, encore, s'il vous plaît. Speak after me. Something, parlez, s'il
Premua,
vous plaît.
encore,
Après
s'il
S'il
vous
moi,
vous
plaît.
plaît.
encore, s'il vous plaît. Speak up, please.
Après moi encore,
Premua,
s'il vous plaît.
encore, s'il
Encore
vous
is
plaît.
again. Is it clear to you? So now over here, if we have ale verb, which is my verb to go, say Claire.
Mm-hmm.
So, je is to I. Repeat after me. Je,
Joe. Joe.
je is to I. Repte après moi, please. I'm repeating one more time. Je is to I. It means I is je in French. Tu.
Joe.
Tu is informal, which is you. Tu. We have two
Two.
type of you in French. Tu, that is two
Two.
informal. Say Claire.
Mm.
Il, elle is he, she. Tu and vous.
Two and two.
Who is my you formal version. Say Claire. Say Claire. Il is my
You
he
can.
and elle is my she. Il is he, il
Il
is
elle,
he, and elle is she. Say Claire. Nous
il
is
elle.
we, nous is we,
Mhm.
and whenever we have plural, like ill, ill we have, if we go for a lot of boys, that can be in English we have S version, so we can also add S with lot of boys. ELLE is she. If I will insert S, that can be my plural, and but as explained to you, S would not pronounce at the end. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Yes.
Il and elle.
Claire.
C'est clair? So, je, répétez après moi encore, s'il vous plaît. Je is to I. Speak up, please. Je is
Je
to
is
I.
to I.
You is to you, informal.
Tu.
Tu.
You
Vous,
is to you.
vous is to up, formal.
Il
Il is to
elle.
he. Elle is to
Mhm.
she. Nous is to we. Il, if we have a S, we can as we will pronounce like L, but yes, when writing we have L, S, so that will be my plural, and L with S, that would my plural female. Is that clear to you? Now, for example, if I will say I go, now répétez après moi. Je vais is to I go. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je vais.
Je.
Je
Ale
vais.
is my verb to go. So because this is now version of the French language, because over here ale is my verb to full verb. But the moment I will conjugate with I go, you go, dramatically my spelling will get changed. This is a form, this is we called as irregular verb. Wherein if I will say je vais, that is I go. I cannot say j'allais. No, no. Ale is my full verb to go. The moment you will conjugate, the moment we will make your sentence in terms of I go, you go. So répétez après moi. Je vais is to I go. Repeat it, please. Je vais is to
Je.
Je
I
vais is
go.
to I go.
Tu vas is
Is
to
to
you
I.
go. Répétez après moi. Tu vas is to you go.
You va is to
Tu
you
vas.
go.
Il, elle, va is to he, she goes. Répétez après moi. Il, elle, va is to he, she goes.
Il
Nous
va is
allons,
equal to he,
nous
she.
allons is to we go. Vous allez
Zalo is equal
is
to
to
we
you
go.
go. And ils, elles vont is to they go. C'est clair? Now, répétez après moi. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. C'est clair?
Il elle.
Vont, vont. They go hoga, ils, elles vont. Now repeat it please 5 times. Now repeat it please. Okay, let's make a song. Let's make a song on this. Yahweh is to I go. Yuva is to you go. Il elva is to he she goes. Nous allons is to we go. Vous allez is to you go in terms of formal. And il elvon is to he they go. Now repeat it please. Yahweh is to I go. Yuva. Now repeat it please. Repeat 5 times because Ali is very important verb. Very, very important verb. Because my French 5 and 6% version is based upon my Ale verb. So now speak up, please. Yahweh is to I
Yahweh
go.
is to I go.
Tuva
Tuva
is
is
to
to
you
Gigi
go.
go.
Mm-hmm.
Il elva is equal to he, she go.
Nous allons is to we go.
Zalo is equal to we go.
Vous allez is to
We zale is equal to you go.
vous allez, and
Vous
ils,
allez.
elles vont. Now, mademoiselle, madam, speak up, please. Speak up, mademoiselle. Speak up, miss. Speak up.
Je
Je vais.
vais.
Speak up,
Je
please.
vais.
Hmm?
Je vais. Tu vas.
Nana.
Il elle va.
Nana, no, no, no. Speak like this. Yahweh is to I go. Yuva is to. Speak up, please.
We. Je vais is to I go. You va is to you go. Il elle va is to he she go. How's that? Nous.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons is to we go. Vous allez is to
Vous
you
allez.
go. Il
Vous allez. Why vous allez? As I explained to
vous
you, did I explain to you whenever we have a consonant ending and the next word we have vowel, we have to combine the sound. Did I explain to you?
Yes. Vous allez.
Vous allez. Ils, elles vont.
Is
Say Claire. Speak up, please.
vous allez. Il elle vont. Okay.
Namesh, speak up, please.
Yahweh is to I go, Tuva is to you go, Il is equal to he, she go, New Zale is equal to we go,
Nous allons,
Visa
nous allons.
New Zalo is equal to we go, Von Zale is equal to you go,
Il,
Go
elles
is
vont,
equal
is
to
to,
he, she,
they go, they
he,
go,
she,
Go.
they go,
they
they
go,
go.
they
C'est
go.
clair now. Yes, in French language, I will take the version of Hindi, not in English. And like you already have cleared both of you your 778 band. It's congratulations to you guys. Now you have to forget English.
Mhm.
Because if you really want to speak French, a big portion I have to look forward for a Hindi. See class.
We clap.
Now in Hindi mein, if I'm saying how are you? If I'm saying how are you? Now what is Hindi? और क्या चल रहा है? What is this? How are you doing? Means how are you? आप कैसे हो? But
Hmm.
हिंदी में sometime I use और क्या चल रहा है?
Hmm.
It means चलना तो आले verb है. It means
Hmm.
my go is आले और क्या चल रहा है? और सब बढ़िया चल रहा है.
Hmm.
What is this? Now, whenever you're using your greetings, whenever you're asking, whenever you are, using the greetings like in terms of how are you, you will say this my ismr verb, right? Ismr verb because
Mhm.
how are you doing now? No, no, no. In French language, whenever you are using these type of greetings, how are you doing? I am fine. And you, I am also fine. We are also in terms of these greetings, how are you? I am fine. You are fine. We are fine. We have to use ale verb. Why? We will not use ismr verb. We have to use ale verb because in Hindi क्या चल रहा है बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है सो ये सेंस आता है आपका लैंग्वेज में फ्रेंच में से क्लियर
Okay.
आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू विल कम टू नो आज हम थिएटर खेलेंगे अभी यू विल कम टू नो अभी इतना पता लगा आपको कि whenever you are expressing yourself in terms of greeting now for example how are you? If I'm saying, how is como? Speak up, como. Como is how.
Como,
Como.
Repte apre moi, please. Como. Como. It is not comment.
como,
No. In English, we have comment. No. Why? Because we have a phonetics in French. Because en sound is on. En sound
Hmm.
is on. And I explain to you whenever we have a consonant ending like T and S, that would be silent. Say Claire. Pen down in notepad because your pronunciation of phonetics is very important and slowly and gradually you will come to know a lot of things, right? If I will say como, it is not comment because okay,
Como.
okay, okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. So over here
Como.
we have como. Como is how. Como is how. It's not comment because en is on and T is my silent. So como. Say Claire. Now, if I will say how are you, como, R is not ismr. No, अभी I haven't explained to you अभी ismr. आपको आले verb use करना है. How are you? Now, for example, if you are saying, if you are speaking to your younger ones, or if you're speaking to your elder ones, for example, or you will say, how are you? So what is this? Vous allez?
Vous allez.
Why? Because you tell me the formal version of
This.
Ale verb is what? The formal version of Ali is what?
Vous.
Who's Ale?
Vuza,
Vous
Say
allez.
Claire. But whenever I'm raising a question, whenever I am raising a question, so in that case, my verb would be insert first. Just say in English also we have did you go? Do you go? It means my verb do is inserted at the starting because it's a question. So the same over here we have Ali is my verb. and who is my subject. So alevu हो जाएगा whenever I am raising a question. alevu. Say Claire.
Yes.
Whenever I am raising a question, whose ale क्या हो जाएगा? alevu, because this is your verb would be inserted first and who would be end of the sentence. So I'm saying, how are you? How is what? Como, and T and A would be
Como.
combined because we have a consonant ending and the next word is starting with vowel. So ta, समझ आ रहा है आपको नमीश and mademoiselle?
Yes.
तो क्या आ जाएगा?
वो-
Como talevu.
Alevu. Como alevu.
Como talevu.
Como talevu.
Why como talevu? Because as I explained to you, whenever you have a consonant ending and immediate your next word is starting from a vowel. देखो T पे खत्म हो रहा है, A से शुरू हो रहा है, तो we have to combine the sound, that is como talevu. Say Claire.
Como. But it's not z. You said it will be z.
ज़ तो तब
Sound
होगा
of
ना
z.
जब S और A होगा,
Okay.
ता तो ता ही होगा. Claire.
Okay.
So speak up. Como talevu. Speak up. Como talevu. Speak
Alevu.
up. पता लगा?
Como
See,
talevu.
now you came to know. I will say, तू कैसा है? Now, Namish ji. Namish, for example, if I asking to you, or you are speaking to your friend, तू कैसा है? So what is tyu wa? Tyu के साथ आलिया क्या
Como
conjugation है?
was
Tyu के साथ आलिया क्या conjugation है?
Tuva.
Wa? Say Claire.
Como
Tuva.
was
Yeah.
tu.
Exactement. C'est très bien. Vous êtes très, très, très intelligent, monsieur. You're very intelligent. Very good. So, comment vas-tu?
Tu.
Because we are raising a question. Whenever I'm raising a question, my verb would be inserted first and my subject would be inserted at the end. So, comment vas-tu? C'est clair. Mademoiselle, c'est clair. Mademoiselle, c'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, for example, you were saying, we are fine. Now, fine we called as bien. Fine we called as bien. Speak up, bien. Speak up, bien.
Bien.
Bien. Speak up, please. Bien.
Bien.
Bien. Now tell
Bien.
me we are fine. क्या बनाएंगे? नू का क्या कॉन्जुगेशन है? नू के साथ आले का नू जालो
Nous allons bien.
bien.
Nous allons bien.
Exactement. Exactement. Nous allons bien. समझ आ रहा है मैम आपको? What do we have? आपको समझ आ रहा है? Nous allons bien. Okay. Say Claire.
Clear.
Nous allons bien. Say Claire. Now. For example, you will say, I am fine. Mademoiselle, आपको मेरी voice आ रही है clear? मैम, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. Mademoiselle. Hello, Mademoiselle.
सर वो है नहीं वो. Wait.
वो है नहीं. Oh, right. That's fine. Okay, if I will say, I am fine. आप क्या बोलोगे? I am fine. I am मतलब I go fine. ऐसे चलता है हमारा फ्रेंच में. Je vais bien. C'est clair.
Je vais bien.
Je vais bien.
Bien.
C'est clair.
Yes.
C'est clair.
Yes.
C'est clair.
C'est clair.
Okay. Now, repeat after me. Como talevu. Speak after me. Como talevu. Como talevu. Repete après moi. Como talevo.
Como
Repete आपने हुआ.
talevo.
Como talevo.
Como talevo.
Como talevo.
Como talevo.
Como talevo.
Como talevo.
How
Como
are
talevo.
you doing? How are you doing? Now how are you doing? That is como talevo. Je vais bien. Repete आपने हुआ. Je
Jave
vais
bien.
bien. Je vais
Jave
bien
bien.
is
Jave
I
bien.
am fine. C'est clair. C'est clair.
C'est clair. C'est clair.
Now, in Punjabi or in Hindi, we have a lot of version. A lot of version wherein we can say ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ or ਵਧੀਆ or ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ. So we have a lot of version in terms of telling the ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ. The same in French also. The same in French also. My
French.
first version is Como allez-vous? C'est clair.
Como talevo.
My second version is Como vas-tu? With an informal speech.
Como,
C'est clair.
como vas-tu?
And the next is Como ça va? Répétez après moi. Como ça va?
Comment ça va?
Speak up. Como ça va?
Comment ça va?
Speak up. Como ça va?
Comment ça
Speak
va?
up. Como ça
Comment
va?
ça va?
Speak up,
Comment
please.
ça va?
Como ça
Comment ça
va?
va? Comment ça
Como
va?
ça va
Comment ça
is
va?
also how are you doing? And you will say je vais bien. Bolo, I am fine. Je vais bien. And you will say
J'avais bien.
ça va bien. Speak up. Ça va
Ça
bien.
va bien.
Ça va
Ça va
bien.
bien.
Ça va
Ça
bien.
va bien.
Is it
Ça
clear
va
to you?
bien.
Ça va
Yes,
bien.
yes.
C'est clair.
Clair.
C'est clair. Speak up.
C'est clair.
Allez-vous? Comment
Comment
vas-tu?
va-tu?
Comment ça
Comment
va?
vas-tu?
Je vais
Comment ça va?
bien. Ça va
J'avais
bien.
bien.
Now,
Ça va bien.
mademoiselle Monica, देखो क्या होता है. अब I will explain to you because I think your net was disconnected. You there?
Yes.
Okay. क्या होता है basically? Uh, जैसे in Punjabi or in Hindi also we have a lot of version to say uh, how are you doing? I will if I ask you और कितना ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਵਧੀਆ ਔਰ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਕੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ. So it means we have a lot of version to ask someone ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ. The same in French
Mhm.
also. C'est clair. My first version is comment allez-vous? Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Comment
Como tale,
allez-vous?
como
The next version is
talevu,
for informal. Comment
como
vas-tu? Speak up. Comment
tu,
vas-tu? Comment
como va,
vas-tu? And the next is comment ça va? That is also how are you
como sa,
doing? That is किदां. Informal. किदां. Como ça va? Ça va. Lift आपने मुआ. बोलो. बोलो. Ça va.
como sa
Speak
va,
up. Simple
sa,
way.
como
Ça
sa
va.
va,
See, we have a sedai over here because I don't have sedai. We have a ultas. I will explain to you how it works. Sedai. Okay, I will tell you. I'll explain to you what is sedai in
como tale.
French. 1 second. In French language, we have two C, right?
Mhm.
One we have C, C, and C. Say Claire. Okay. Okay.
Si,
So in that case, if we have a C, like if we have a C, C, okay, we have a C sound is also curved. But if we have a C like this, A like this is called as Sedai. This is called as Sedai.
Today.
si,
Sedai in French. Say इसको हम बोलते हैं Sedai. And if we have a ague, Sedai, that sound is sir in French. Sir, sir, sir. S बन रहा है ना देखो S बन रहा है ये एक टाइप का. So that sound is sir in French. C'est clair.
Today is
C'est clair.
so, weekend,
So now over here we have is como sawa. That sir, sir, sir. देखो यहाँ पे C का sound क है को. But whenever we
como
have a
sa va,
C, whenever we have C के नीचे मैं उल्टा C लगा दूंगा. इस सवा में C के नीचे सदा ही आएगा. Como sawa, sawa. यहाँ भी C के नीचे उल्टा C आएगा. बोलो sawa. Speak up.
so va,
Sawa. Boलो
so
Sava.
va,
sawa. Speak up.
so
Sava.
Sawa.
va,
Sawa is
so
okay.
va,
Sava.
Now, for example, if I'm meeting you. For example, I'm meeting you for the first time. Or I meet you maybe an hour before, maybe 2 hours before, or maybe 3 and 7 days after. If I'm meeting with you, I'll say, Sawa, Sawa. Now, for example, you're going. You're going and I'm looking you at long distance. I will say, hello, hi. What do you say? Salut, speak after me. Salut, speak up.
Salut.
Salut, ça va? बोलो ऐसे. जैसे for example, we are friends and we are looking both of us. We are looking like in a very long distance. We are saying, hello. बोलते ना hello, how are you? बोलो salut, como ça va? Ça va? Speak like this. Speak up. Salut.
That
Salut
is
is hi and hello. Salut. Como ça va? Ça va? Speak up, please.
Salut,
a
como ça va? Salut.
Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, ये समझ आया आपको?
Yes.
Now we have first theater. We have first theater और ये वाला theater का प्रोजेक्ट आपको सबमिट करना है. आपको अपने इसमें WhatsApp पे वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड करना है मेरे को. क्लियर?
Okay.
दिस इज योर फर्स्ट थिएटर. मैं आपके साथ एक फर्स्ट थिएटर लाइव जो प्ले करूंगा, मैं आपको वीडियो कॉल पे करूंगा. आई विल ओपन माय कैमरा, बट वो जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तब मैं आपसे थिएटर प्ले करूंगा. क्लियर? नाउ स्पीक अप. इफ आई एम आस्किंग टू यू como ça va, दैट इज हाउ आर यू.
Mm-hmm.
आप क्या बोलोगे? je vais bien,
Я vais bien.
आई एम फाइन. फिर आप बोलोगे एंड यू, बोलते हो ना, और आप कैसे हो बोलते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम सेइंग como ça va, आप बोलोगे je vais bien और आप कैसे हो. तो बोलो et vous, बोलो et vous. Vous is my आप, कर रहा था ना, vous is my आप, a is my and, et. My et sound is a in front. Et sound is a in
A French.
repte apre mua. Et sound is a in
A
front.
in
And a is my and. A is my and. Bolo. Je vais bien. Ça va bien. Speak up like this. Bolo. Comment ça va? Comment ça
Como
va?
ça va?
Je vais
Je
bien.
vais bien.
Et vous? And आप. देखो पूरा डायलॉग बना है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि how are you? Comment ça va? You will say I am fine. You will say je vais bien because you have to use alle verb. Say Claire. बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. A vous and you. आप बोलोगे I am also fine. बोलोगे ना I am also fine. Je vais also is my aussi. Je vais aussi bien. Speak up. Je vais aussi bien. Speak up, please. Je vais aussi bien.
Je vais aussi bien.
Répétez après moi. Comment ça va? Je vais
Como
bien. Et vous? Je vais aussi bien. Répétez après moi, s'il vous
Je
plaît.
vais aussi bien.
Comment ça va? Je vais bien.
Je vais
Et
bien.
vous? Je vais aussi bien. Bolo. Speak up, please. Bolo.
Como ça
Como ça va?
Mhm.
Je vais bien.
bien
Mhm.
et vous
Et vous?
Je vais aussi bien. C'est clair?
je vais
Je
aussi
vais aussi
bien.
bien.
Claire? C'est clair. Is it clear to you? And you will
Yes.
say, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको, como ça va, how are you? आप लोगे I am fine, je vais bien. And you, et vous, I will say je vais aussi bien. I will say thank you, merci. बोलो merci,
Merci. Merci.
merci. Speak up, merci. Merci beaucoup. Speak up. Beaucoup is a lot of. Beaucoup. If I will say merci, that is thank you. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Speak up. Merci beaucoup. Speak up. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Speak up.
Merci beaucoup.
P would be silent. क्योंकि कॉन्सोनेंट जो है मेरे फ्रेंच में मोस्टली साइलेंट होते हैं अगर वो एंड पे खत्म होते हैं. So my consonant would be silent most of the cases. We have a consonant silent if if there's a termination. If there's a termination. Say Claire.
Claire.
So
It's R पे जोर होगा ना.
merci, merci. Say Claire. Merci, merci beaucoup. Say Claire.
Merci beaucoup.
Say Claire. Now speak up,
Claire.
please. Comment ça va? Je vais
Como
bien. Et vous?
Vous,
Je vais
et vous?
aussi bien.
aussi
Aussi bien.
Merci. Merci
Merci
beaucoup.
beaucoup.
C'est clair.
clair.
C'est clair.
Clair.
Now, आपको पता लगा आले वर्ब क्या है? What is आले वर्ब? Tell me, explain. Mademoiselle, please
To
explain
go.
आले verb. What is आले verb? Tell me.
Sort of helping verb. How are you?
Very good. And this my full verb also is to go. Say Claire.
To go. Right. Clair.
Claire. Now, we have one verb which is être. Okay, I will explain to you one more time. I think Mademoiselle मैंने आपको नहीं बताया था, but अमीश कल मैंने आपको बताया था वो चीज. I will explain to Mademoiselle also. देखो, अगर आपको पता है तो मुझे बताना Mademoiselle. मैंने पता I'm not aware मैंने बताया था नहीं. In French we have 4 type of e. बताया था? Did I explain to you?
No.
Okay, but Amish, I think I explained to you, right?
Yes, sir.
So in French we have 4 type of e. Yes, the type of e is 4 types. One e, the sound is
Oh.
simple you know, e sound is a.
Oh.
The next e, if we have e starting from bottom to top, bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. Bottom
Mm-hmm.
to
To
top,
top.
it is going towards right hand side. That sound is a in French. So e
A.
sound would be converted into
A.
a if my sound is going from bottom to top. Say Claire.
Clair.
If my sound, my accent, we call it as laxo. This is called as accent laxo. Speak up, laxo. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Laxo.
लाक्सो.
Laxo.
Laxo.
Accent लाक्सो बोलते हैं इसको फ्रेंच में. लाक्सो because en sound is
Laxo.
o, en sound is o
Laxo.
and t would be silent, so we have laxo. Say Claire. So now
Laxo.
if we have e and it is going from bottom to top, it is going toward left hand side. Bottom to top, it is going toward left hand side. That sound is what? That sound is a. A. तो क्या बन गया? a. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Sir.
So if we have e, the sound is a. If we have e, if we have sound from bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. That sound is a in French. If we have e from bottom to top, it is going towards left hand side. That sound is a in French. And the next we have hut like this. एक e के ऊपर हम शापो लगाते हैं hat, right?
Mm-hmm.
That sound is a. Speak up, a.
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 Say Claire. So a. Say Claire.
O. A. A.
A.
A.
A.
Say Claire.
इसको
इन दोनों का साउंड कहीं ना कहीं हमारा सिमिलर होता है, बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा साउंड हम स्ट्रेच करते हैं. ए. से क्लैर, थोड़ा हम अंदर से निकालते हैं वो साउंड ए, और ये ए. से क्लैर.
Clair.
ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेक यू द. ये आपने नोट डाउन कर लिया? मैं हटा दूं ये वाला व्हाइट बोर्ड?
Yes.
ओके, तो वी हैव अ वर्ब व्हिच इज एत्र. ETRE. ई के ऊपर जो है आपकी हट लगेगी, शापो. एत्र. ई के ऊपर क्या लगेगा आपका? हट लगेगा. शापो, हैट लगेगी. एत्र. एत्र का मतलब है टू बी, व्हिच इज टू इज एमआर.
To be.
Say Claire. Ether is to be, which is to is MR. Say Claire.